Hey guys, so welcome back to another edition of Reese Does Her Own Nails. I think I'm a nail tech. Alright, so I've already laid down all of my tips and all of those kind of things, and now I'm going in with my Makarrt base gel. Period. Okay, so if you guys are new to my channel and this is the first video of mine you are seeing, I do everything beauty that is affordable. So the reason why I do my own nails is to save coin, period. I've been doing my own nails for about a year now, and I feel like I kind of got it. Okay, you hear the nails in the background? Okay, so if you're interested in all of those kind of things, seeing trial hauls, nail videos, hair videos, even some makeup videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications, and then comment, like, share, and all of that. Okay, so what I am doing is I'm using my Polygel. This Polygel I really don't love, but it's the only natural pink one that I have. And I wanted to do a sunset ombre. This is actually an idea of my sister. So what I'm doing is I'm starting with this to give it more of a pinky flesh look to start the ombre. So I am only going about 1/3 or a little bit higher than 1/3 on the nail, because of course, to do an ombre like this, you want the colors to overlap. So you'll see me kind of scraping some pieces off of it, off of that nail, and I'm just packing in that Polygel to create the shape or a higher apex that I would want going forward using the other colors. Okay, so I'm doing that, of course, with every nail. As you see, I'm doing that scrape off yet again. And once I am done actually making it look nice and neat, we're going to go ahead and we're going to put it in our LED lamp. And this lamp is also from Makarrt. So I'm using one of the Makarrt colors. This is the orange. It does have a neon feel to it. And this is from my rainbow Makarrt set. And so is the purple that's laying there. So I'm doing basically the same thing. I am going in and I'm adding in the next color. One thing that you want to do if you're doing this is you'll see if I have to put my, I don't know, I can see, but I still put it so close to me. You'll see now I'm going backwards on it. And this is to give the fade in effect. So it looks like the colors are fading into each other. So that step is actually really, really important if you're trying to get an ombre fade in look, as if that was just a color you painted and it was like a temperature thing. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So of course I'm doing that with every single nail, and then the same process, we'll go ahead and we'll cure it. You know? My nail videos are not that long because I feel like you're just gonna repeatedly watch me just do the same thing over and over. But if you want to see a slowed up, more detailed nail video, I don't really know how more detailed I can get, please let me know in the description box down below. Nope, the comment box, not the description box. Alright, so this is of course the last color that we're going to add. This is the purple, and you want to make sure that this fades in. This fade in is actually a lot more crucial because when you fade it in properly, that orange and that purple is going to create like this nice pretty color, and it'll actually give you sunset vibes. So that's my first layer. So what I'm going to do is go back and do it a second time. So that's why you see me doing it twice. Once I'm done with that, I cure it and then I file it down. Now that's pretty much it. I filed it down. Now I'm putting in my top coat, which is going to go all over the nail. And after you put the top coat in, like, you're done. All you have to do is cure it, and that's pretty much it, you guys. So yeah, this tutorial's pretty over. It's pretty quick, pretty simple. I hope this was enjoyable. If you ever try these nails, or if you want, you know, to just show me like you trying to learn how to do your nails too, make sure you comment that down below. Don't forget to join that flower gang by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. That's the most important part. Subscribing is free. These are the final nails. I really love how they came out. I told y'all I was a fake nail tech, sis. Period. See you guys in my next video. Mwah.